I just got in a new automatic cat litter box. I'm gonna unbox it, put it together, get it running, check it out, and tell you my thoughts on it. This isn't my first automatic litter box, and I tell you what, since I've had one, it's gonna be really hard if I ever have to go without one. So let's get this unboxed and see what we got in here. Okay, first we have our user manual. That's gonna be important. There's a power supply and one roll of litter box trash bags. Set those to the side for a minute. Some legs hiding away in here. Let's see, our litter box. Part of the litter box, one. Second part of the litter box here. Okay. Get the bowl out. There's a little litter catch pad. These things are pretty awesome. More pieces to the litter box. Okay. All right, let's get those open. All right, so they got another roll of bags for you. Oh, I'm not sure what that is yet. Let's start putting it together. I do read manuals, so let's do that real quick. We're going to take the bottom, turn it up on the side, and we're gonna grab the legs. All right, the legs have a little notch that will line up with the hole appropriately. This piece clips on the back. There's a latch here. I'm going to hit that latch and flip that up. Take this, and we're going to, all right. Okay, let's make sure all those are latched. So apparently this comes apart. There's some latches around it so you can take it apart to, my guess would be clean it. That would make good sense, right? Okay, so you're gonna take it and you're gonna set it just like that. I'll set it in here. There we go. Now it's lined up. Take these pieces here. They've got letters. That's letter A, that's letter B. Letter A is over here. So we're going to, we gotta connect these together first, like so, and then push them down in the corresponding spots. We'll open up the bag. All right. Like so, and then push it in, and it's in place. Now it's powering on. While it does its thing, I'm gonna scan the code that's on here and download the app that goes with it. I've got the app set up. It's a pretty simple app. Right now it says the status is the litter's full, but I haven't actually reset it. We're gonna do a little reset, and it's going to do its thing. It's gonna weigh the litter and figure out where it is. What happens once the weighing is done is when a cat gets in there, it has a weight sensor. And once more than 2.5 pound weight change happens, it lets you know if there's a cat in there. Now this light's blinking saying the cat has now exited, and in 3 minutes, it's going to automatically start cleaning. If the cat re-enters before the cleaning happens, it will sense the weight change and it will delay the cleaning until the cat is clear of the globe. There's a kitten mode that'll make it more sensitive and will pick up a weight change at a lower weight in order to keep your kittens safe. The app will track and it will tell you how many times the cat has entered. We can go into activities here, times. duration. The ability to track how many times the cat goes to the bathroom every day is pretty nice because it helps to watch out for their health. There's a little grate in here that the unclumped litter will go into this little pocket, and the clumped litter will stay on top of the grate, and when this finishes flipping over, it will drop it down into the wastebasket below. The app will notify you. You just pull the wastebasket out, change the bag out, throw the bag that's full of litter away, and put the wastebasket back in. It's completely revolutionized the way that we do the litter box around here, because that litter box used to be a chore. Because, well, one, we'd forget to scoop it regularly, and then when it came time to clean it, because we could start to smell it, then it would just be one giant mass of clumped litter instead of these smaller pieces. Having one of these makes life so much easier because it sifts it every time after the cat uses the bathroom, and you just, like I said, pull the wastebasket out, change the bag out, put the wastebasket back in, and you're good to go. It's just as simple as taking out the trash. It's a lot less of a chore. These things are a true luxury when you have cats around. This is the Globe One, fantastic automatic litter box. And I promise you, if you've got a cat and you don't have an automatic litter box, it will definitely change your world to have one. Like I said, it makes it so much easier.